Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change currency on the DHgate. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to DHgate.com and you'll be greeted by a website looking something like this. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log in to your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to DHgate. But if you do not know how to do that, you can always find a video on that on our channel. Now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the search bar where you can go and search for anything that you would like to go and search for. We have all the categories here, and in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. We have recently viewed stuff, we have favorites, and at the end, we have your shopping cart. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change currency on DHgate. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps that I'll be showing you to know how to do it in no time. So guys, the first thing that you need to do is go and drag your mouse to the top right corner of the home screen, and you'll here see four options: buying protection, customer service, save more, and at the end you have the option where you can hover over it and you can put where you want to ship to, language, and the currency is the last one. Whereas you can see you have plenty of currencies which you can put and click save, and that's basically how you can do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this really guys helps us grow our channel. Now guys, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and that will be that guys. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.